Hi, welcome to 9700 Starkey Road, Unit 127. My name is Vera Schuler. Myself and Heather McNeil are the real estate agents for this listing. We are with Hofacker and Associates. This is a 1-bedroom, 1-bath, 700 square foot second floor unit. It has its own private laundry room right outside the unit with extra storage, and the balcony overlooks this really cute pond with a fountain and the tennis courts. Thank you for watching that video. Again, the address is 9700 Starkey Road, Unit 127. My name is Vera Schuler. Myself and Heather McNeil are with Hofacker and Associates. If you'd like more information or a private tour, give me a call at 727-692-2552. Thank you.